Today we are going to do EVS. Things I can do. That means which part of the body help you to do the things. Page number 2323. Look at the different parts of the body and see how they help us, how they help you. See, these are the part of the body and these things we can do with the particular part of our body. So our new words are taste, see, hear, smell, feel and walk. These are our new word. First picture you can see tongue. This is our tongue. I taste with my tongue. That means taste means whatever we eat, we get a taste. It is hot, it is spicy, sweet or cold. Everything we feel with our tongue. This tongue help us to taste. If anything yummy food is there, you feel it very tasty. So tongue help us to feel that taste. Okay. Now second one is eyes. These are eyes. We have two eyes. See, these are eyes. We have two eyes. Eyes help us to see. We can see the beautiful world with the help of our eyes. We can open our eyes and we can close our eyes. Our eyes help us to see the beautiful world around us. Next is ears. We have two ears. We have two ears. I hear with my ears. Ears means we can listen any sound. We can listen to the music with the help of our ears. Ear help us to hear the sound is coming from. When you play outside and your mama is in the house, mama calls you, come beta inside. That time you are not seeing your mama, but you can hear the sound of your mom. So ears help us to hear the sound wherever you are. Okay, ears help us to hear. Okay, ears help us to hear. I hear with my ears. Next is nose. We have only one nose. Only one nose. I smell with my nose. Our nose help us to smell. When we smell a nice fragrance of a flower, we feel it very nicely. Yes, we feel good. We tell, wow, what a smell it is. We can smell false smells also. That means bad smell like garbage. Okay, our nose help us to smell. And important work is done by the nose. That is, we breathe with our nose. Breathe means saas lena and chhodna. Nose help us to breathe. Next is hands. We have two hands. How many hands we have? Two hands. I feel with my hands. We touch anyone, so we feel it. We touch a pet or something. We touch a baby, so we feel with our hands. Hands also help us to write. Hands also help us to write. Hands also help us to hold the things, pick up the things. So with the help of our hand, we feel, we can write, we can hold things. Okay. Next is legs. We have two legs. How many legs? Two legs. I walk with my legs. We can walk with our legs. We can run with our leg. We can jump on our legs. We can't do on our hands, but leg help us to walk, run and jump. Now page number 24. You have to solve page number 24. First you will write the date. Now write things I can do. Fill in the blanks to complete the sentence. See, the sentence are given here, pictures are also given here, and numbers are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So according to this number, you have to see the picture and search the spelling of the picture, and you have to write here. So I walk with my dash. This is our legs, right? This is our legs. L for leg. So we will write here 1 and we will write here spelling of legs like this. Next is I write with my dash. This is the picture of hand. We write with our hand. H for hand. See, H is here. So it is 2 numbers. So we will write here 2 and we will write here H spelling like this. Okay. I see with my eyes. See, these are eyes. I see with my dash. So where is I spelling? I spelling start from EY. So 3 number. EY. This is EY. No. This is EY. Yes. We will write here 3 and we will write here EYES. Eyes. I smell with my dash. This is our nose. Nose spelling starts from N. So where is N? This is N. So NOSE, nose. So this is our 4th number. And we will copy the spelling from above. NOSE, nose. I hear with my dash. These are the picture of ears. Ears spelling starts from EA. So it is here. So we will write here 5 number and we will write here ears. Now next is I taste with my dash. This is the picture of tongue. Yes, this is the picture of tongue. Tongue spelling starts from T. See, this is the tongue spelling. So we will write here 6 and we will copy the spelling of tongue. TONGUE, tongue. Like this you have to complete your worksheet.